Hi, I'm Carla Dimattina from Ritam Studio. This is a core-focused workout. It's very short, sweet, but very impactful. So let's start by coming down onto our backs. I want to get you really familiar with what is the right position for your back when working abdominals in this lying down position. You're going to bring your hand under the small of your back and just feel that there's a space, but your back can rest on it. You're not squashing your hand. So from here, let's now tuck our pelvis forward and back and just feel how that changes the pressure on your hand. As you tilt your pelvis under, you should be squashing your hand. And then as you tilt your pelvis the other way, you create an arch and space from your hand. I want you to find the middle point halfway between the two, and to settle at that point, you should feel your back is gently resting on your hand and your hand can move. This is what I'm going to call neutral. From this position, let's keep the hand behind your back to start with. I'm going to get you to pick up your right leg and bring it into a tabletop position. Keep it there, keep that same pressure on the hand, and pick up your left leg. So we have both legs up here now. Focus on connecting your lower belly and your rib cage. Where your rib cage meets, try and zip it up to your belly button. Now from here, slowly start to lower your right foot to tap and lift back up. Lower the left and lift back up. As you're lowering here, the further away the leg goes from you, the more of your lower abdominals you need to engage. So we're alternating legs here. The pressure on your back, the pressure of your back on your hand remains the same. If as you push the leg away from you, your back arches off your hand, then this is too challenging for you. Only go to the range where you can sustain pressure on your hand. So that might mean you're going halfway down. If you can take it all the way, great. Now you should already feel, just by doing this very simple move, you're getting deep engagement through your belly. Let's try 3 more each side. When you're sustaining this pressure on your hand, your shoulders are not rounding, your shoulders are open. Let's do 1 more each side, and then we'll talk a little bit more about the shoulders. Now keep both legs up and hold here. Has your chest rounded? If so, I want you to open the shoulders, expand them down into the mat. Now keeping the legs in this position, you can take the hand out so you can use your hands to support you. You're now going to lower both legs down and up. Really make sure this movement is coming from your lower belly and not gripping from your hips. If you feel that it's your hips working to lift and lower, then this is too challenging for you, and I just want you to take the legs a little away from you and back in. If you can feel that it's your belly working, take it all the way down to the mat and back up. Let's try 3 more here. Keep the shoulders open and expanded. Don't let them curl as the legs lower away from you. These are the most common mistakes people make. I'd rather you do less and do it correctly than try and force the movement and lose your control and lose the activation from your core. Let's do 1 more. And bring it back to center. Hold here. Extend both legs up and then lower them back down. Extend them up again and lower them back down. This one, extend them up and hold it. I'm going to get you to slowly roll your upper body up and reach towards the end of the mat. Hold this position and lower down. Keep the legs where they are. Again, scoop from the lower belly, tuck your chin to lift up. Make sure the movement starts from your belly and not from your neck. So I don't want your neck to lift you up here. It's deep lower belly, scoop, tuck the chin, and then sequentially roll up. If this is too hard, bend the knees and do the same move. You'll still get activation through the core. Don't try and take it to a challenge that's too much for you. Slower, steadier is better. Keep coming back to this and build that strength. Let's try 3 more here. On your next one, peel up and hold it. Stay here. Try and wrap your thighs in towards each other. Keep your feet connected, chest and shoulders open. Can you come a little higher? Make sure your back is touching the mat. Hold for 2, 1, and then slowly lower down, bend the knees and bring your feet down to the mat. Just gently rock your knees side to side. Great. Come back to center and then roll all the way over to your side and come up to sit. Great job. That was short, but really focused on the correct activation of your abdominals. We have a lot more short core focus workouts at Ritam Studio on our YouTube channel. You can also join ritam.studio, our online platform, where we have tons of workout classes.